Hey, welcome back to JustUseWordPress.com. I'm going to go through in this episode and show you guys how to make a post, do some things with hyperlink, make some general adjustments to the site, make it more optimized for usability. So here's our site right here. I'm already logged in. Basically, you do have some options here. First thing you're going to notice here is it's just another just another WordPress site. So I'm going to go in. I'm going to actually do some editing. I want to take that off. Basically, what that's put there for is if you want to describe what your site's about, you can do that. And this is in the General tab. You notice that my site has a title, and I just mirrored the title as AJB Online. And in a few words, you want to explain what your site's about. So it's not just another WordPress site. I'm going to put WordPress site design and marketing. And then I don't want anyone to register for this. If I did want to have subscribers, that's another methodology that I can do, but I'm not going to do that at this point. And then I'm going to hit Save Changes. Now what you want to look at here is that I'm going to pull up in another browser the actual site. So this is before. I'm going to refresh the page and it should see those changes happen immediately. So you see AJB Online, now you see WordPress site design and marketing. So the other thing you notice about the site is that the main page is the host page. So I want to change that. So I'm going to go into the reading side, and I actually want it to be a static page. And I already built a page with actually no title, and I don't want any titles show up there. So I'm going to change it to a static page, hit save. Then I'm going to go back into my other browser, and I'm going to just click on the home page, update it, and now what you notice is that is no longer a post. So if I wanted to, I can change it back here. I can do my latest post, and that means if I'm updating the site a lot and I have a lot of content that's going to be refreshed, that's going to show up first. I could actually change it to the contact page. Any one of these pages could be my static page, but I did want it to be no title. So essentially what that is what the page is going to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you how to add the content. So I'm going to go to that page and already have everything kind of written out. So the page is right here. This is the no title page. I'm going to go in and edit. So here in this no title page, I am going to add a title, and I already have this kind of hammered out. So basically I'm going to just kind of flip back and forth here. And all I'm doing is going back in and I'm just highlighting the text that I already hammered out, and I'm just going to copy that and then paste that text directly into WordPress. Okay. So what you'll notice immediately is you already have these options. Very similar if you were able to use a word processor to type it out, you'll be able to use WordPress to kind of do your formatting. So you notice that there's spaces that I inherited from the Word document, and I'm going to go ahead and edit those so everything's lined up properly. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in and I'm going to go ahead and make this bold. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and hit update. Now what I can do is I can go back in here and I can look at the page. So this is now my main home page, and I can verify that by going into the other browser that should be blank. Now when I hit update or just click on the logo, the content is going to show up. So this is a way to test kind of what it looks like after you make the edit. So I notice here that this needs to be highlighted. So I'm going to go back into my editor, hit edit page. Okay, find where that is, and then make the update. Okay. So this is one of the things that I was going to do here. Was right here I wanted to insert before before this next paragraph. I wanted to insert actually a PDF. So this is a top 10 list that I have. I'm going to have the subscribers click here. So I'm going to go ahead and click update. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and actually add the media. So what you'll notice is this is going to take me to my hard drive. And this is the document I wanted to update or upload. And it's the top 10 tips for creating an effective website. So I go into this editor here, and this is what the file URL is. So what that means is if I select this and copy that text, and I run that in any browser, that PDF is going to show up. Okay? So basically what I want to do here is I want to take this URL and I want to copy it and attach it to that that tip. So I'm going to go back to my pages, and then here's the page I had. Okay, and then here's where I want to add that as a hyperlink. So I'm going to go in here and insert the link, and I'll just put top 10. And I want to open this in a new window. So I add that link, I hit update, a little bit of spacing off, so I'm going to go down here, move this up a little bit, and actually to make this stand out in the post, I'm going to move it to the other side, just like I would in a Word document using any type of editor. So even if I wanted to change, font size or underline, I can change the color of the font. I can even do quotes. So if I wanted this to show up as a quote, I can do that. There's a number of features and functionality already built in to this WordPress editor, and I just hit update. Then I'm going to go back to my other browser. Okay, this is the original post or original page. I'm going to go ahead and click here, and what you'll notice is all those edits showed up. Okay, and there again, to get to that link, you notice when I hover my mouse, it's going to say top 10, and I click on that link. It takes me to the page where the PDF document is. So I hope that's been helpful for you. It just gives you some other ways of kind of maneuvering around WordPress and making things work. Thanks for watching. Bye.